Look up. Above us, an endless ocean drifts through the sky, always shifting, always changing, never still. These are clouds, the breath of the earth, painted across the heavens in endless forms. Clouds are more than just floating vapor. They are messengers of the weather, sculptors of light and keepers of the planet's delicate balance. Formed when warm air rises, cools, and condenses, they are born from the unseen, yet shape the world below. Cumulonimbus clouds, the giants of the atmosphere, rise like mountains in the sky. They are the architects of thunderstorms, swirling towers of moisture that can stretch over 10 kilometers high. Inside them, powerful updrafts churn water droplets into ice, building electrical charges that unleash lightning. A single cumulonimbus cloud can release as much energy as a nuclear explosion. Far above, where the air is thin and icy, cirrus clouds stretch like silk across the heavens. These delicate wisps, formed of ice crystals, reflect the sunlight and often signal a change in the weather. They whisper the arrival of a warm front, giving us a silent warning of rain to come. Closer to the Earth, the stratus clouds spread like a soft gray blanket. They are the quiet dreamers of the sky, turning the world into a hazy realm where the edges of reality blur. Sometimes they settle on the ground as fog, wrapping forests and cities in a gentle mist, muffling sound and slowing time. And then there are the cumulus clouds, those cotton-like formations that drift lazily in the sky. They are the clouds of childhood, where imaginations run wild, turning them into castles, animals, or dreams waiting to take shape. Though they seem harmless, when they grow, they can transform into the very storms that bring thunder and rain. But clouds are not only water and wind. They are light catchers, painting the sky with fire at dusk. As the sun sets, its light must travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere, scattering shorter blue wavelengths and leaving behind warm hues of gold, crimson, and violet. This transformation turns the sky into a masterpiece that lasts only moments before fading into the dark. Even from space, clouds are ever present, swirling over the planet like brushstrokes on a vast living canvas. They regulate the Earth's temperature, reflecting sunlight back into space and trapping warmth below. Without them, our world would be a very different place. Clouds are both gentle and powerful, fragile yet immense. They shape our weather, sustain life, and remind us of the impermanence of all things. So look up, watch them drift. Let them remind you that the sky is an ever-changing poem, written in vapor, wind, and light. You are standing on a world wrapped in poetry,